Instrument cleaning is a very important step before loading an instrument set into the sterilization machine. They say you can clean without sterilization, but you cannot sterilize without cleaning. It is better to clean instruments at point of care or at the earliest after use. The first step to clean an instrument set is to examine and run them under running tap water to remove any visible debris. Once it is done, we immerse the instrument into a non-enzymatic cleaner, which is preferably used for ophthalmology instruments. The non-enzymatic cleaner has to be used at the correct concentration for the right amount of time. Once the instruments are immersed into the non-enzymatic cleaners, they are taken out and could be manually cleaned using an instrument cleaning brush, removing all the debris carefully. The illuminated instruments should be put in an ultrasonic cleaner to remove the debris which is stuck inside the narrow lumen of these instruments. The ultrasonic cleaners work on the principle of using sound energy to release microbubbles which go inside the illuminated instruments and clean them. We should remember that the water used for the non-enzymatic cleaners for manual cleaning or the water used for ultrasonic cleaners must be frequently changed based on the SOP or once the water is visibly discolored.